know, but it's just so weird to think of. I mean, lately, it's like if I get a blueberry muffin, I'm like, I'm going to savor this taste because I don't know when I'll ever have blueberries and flour and sugar and butter and an egg mixed together to make a blueberry muffin. You know what I mean?
If you can savor the taste, the smell, the looks, the five senses, even the hearing of it crunching in your mouth, whatever, then you can image that thought into your clenched fist. Open your fist and have a nice muffin.
Well, then that's not for the sake of blueberry muffins, but for the sake of... So did grandfather or stalking wolf, or grandpa as you called him, did he know how to do those things?
Do what? He could do it. I've never done it.
What?
I've never done it. He could do it. And so could another medicine woman I know very well. She called me her mentor. And she could do it.
Wow.
But she can't do it without like apple twig. She needs a dead twig. It doesn't matter if it's 30 years old. She needs that twig, but she hasn't learned how to do it without the twig.
Oh, okay, so like a twig, but does it have to be a twig of an apple tree? Or just any twig?
That's what she wants.
Oh, okay, right.
Yeah. She can hold that twig.
And make it bear fruit.
Just a twig, and she is starting to grow green in bud and everything until, bang, here's your apple. And then she had her hand on the twig, and here's your apple. Anybody else hungry?
Wow. I mean, that's what Jesus did when he multiplied the fish and the bread.
Right.
And that wasn't even something that was alive. Like, the fish don't grow off of a tree, obviously. Like, he could just multiply the fish and the bread. Oh, like a blueberry muffin. That's so weird. Why, I mean, so it surprised people when Jesus did it, obviously. I'm like, where do people...
It surprises people when I do strange things. I'm a nut.
Well...
But,
so how do people lose this ability? Do we ever have this
all of them were born with it, and all of them are born with it in the first place. They've accepted the way to the world and locked that upstairs knowledge library up, walked away from it, went downstairs and started reading their sex magazines and everything else that comes in.
Stupid stuff.